Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone is unlocked and supports eSIM. This matters because a locked device won't accept new profiles. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi and open Airalo, then sign in or create an account and add a payment method. After that, search for your destination, compare plans by data, duration, and price, and purchase the one that matches your travel days. Make sure to note whether the plan is regional or country-specific before proceeding to installation. You now install the eSIM profile, go to My eSIMs in Airalo and tap your purchase, then choose Install or Get QR code. If you tap Install, the app may push the profile. Otherwise, scan the QR code via Settings Add Cellular Plan. During installation, follow the carrier prompts and accept the profile. Next, label the line so you can distinguish it, set it as your data SIM if you want, and enable data roaming only for that profile when instructed. You finish by restarting the phone and selecting the eSIM for mobile data. This activates the profile in most cases and ensures the phone registers on the local network. Once restarted, verify by loading a web page or a map tile and check usage and remaining data in the Airalo app. If you don't get connection, toggle airplane mode, confirm the eSIM is enabled, or reinstall using the QR code. If that fails, contact Airalo support with your order ID and device model.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.